We want to make sure that the practice of abortion is stopped within the state of Idaho.
House Bill 366, a fetal heartbeat abortion ban bill, heads to Governor Brad Little's desk after passing the Idaho House and Senate.
This is good legislation that gives a preborn child the same rights as a mother.
This still is an attempt to restrict women's liberty to access a safe and legal abortion.
Planned Parenthood Alliance advocates, a leading provider in sexual and reproductive health, opposes the bill. The group argues healthcare decisions should be made between a patient and their provider.
The government doesn't insert itself into the exam room in any other medical situation. They're not coming in and telling doctors or patients what to do or how they should do it when it comes to making medical decisions about their bodies, and it should be no different if a person is deciding to end a pregnancy.
Bill co-sponsor Representative Brent Crane says undoubtedly this legislation will be challenged in court, and ultimately the constitutionality would be determined by the U.S. Supreme Court. He says the question pro-life Idaho lawmakers want to get before the court is fetal viability.
Viability, does that happen when a heartbeat is detected? And is that at 6 weeks? Is that at 7 weeks? Is that at 8 weeks? That will be fleshed out as the court makes its determination. If the court were to come back and say, no, we're going to stand behind other decisions that we've made in the past, that viability does not happen until the baby is born, then this bill would be considered unconstitutional and would be overturned.
While the legislation goes through the courts, Planned Parenthood will continue to provide help to women seeking the resources they offer.
Abortion is still legal in Idaho. It's legal in every state across the country. And if people need us, they can come to us and we're going to be there for them.
Nicole Camarda, Idaho News 6.
Idaho's fetal heartbeat bill has what's called a trigger provision, meaning it would not go into effect unless a federal appeals court somewhere else in the United States upholds a similar piece of legislation in another state. Similar bills have passed in several other states and have already been taken to court. Just a few weeks ago, South Carolina's version of a fetal heartbeat bill was temporarily blocked by a federal court.